So, hello everyone! For today's video is gagawa po ako ng isang video introduction for ESL teaching. Kung ikaw ay isang ESL teacher or isang aspiring ESL teacher na nag-a-apply, maybe I can help you how to become, how to create an attractive video introduction video. So, one thing that I can give you, or one tip that I can give you, is be enthusiastic and be friendly sa mga sasabihin mo. So here we go, let's start. Hello, my name is Teacher Monica. I'm from the Philippines. I have acquired a 120-hour TEFL certificate, or also known as Teaching English as a Foreign Language Certificate. My expertise is for both young and adult learners, and I have the knowledge to share. In my class, I use fun props and rewards. Aside from that, I use TPR such as look, listen, and say. As your teacher, I will assure you that you will have fun and learn at the same time. See you in my class! So as you can see guys, is hindi ko na siya masyadong hinabaan or masyadong ginandahan yung mga English words ko. Kasi, based sa experience ko, most of the time, student yung pumipili ng teachers nila. So, kung ikaw yung isang teacher at medyo kakaiba yung English mo at hindi niya talaga maintindihan, so parang hindi ka niya pipiliin. Isip niya, baka hindi ito yung teacher na mag-guide sa akin, kahit na napakababa lang ng English ko. So, kumbaga, kung ang estudyante mo is beginner pa lang, dapat medyo pang beginner friendly lang din yung mga English na sasabihin mo. So, yun. And sa pagsasalita naman, huwag mong bilisan kasi paano kanila maiintindihan kung napakabilis mo. So, dapat moderately lang. And then, yun nga, ang sabi ko unang-una is be enthusiastic and then friendly. Okay? And of course, professional look. Of course, I wear blazers or coat and then I wear makeup. So, I look professional and maganda siya tingnan sa camera. And of course, landscape yung video natin, hindi siya naka-portrait. So, para if manunood sila sa laptop, it's good. And then, sa cellphone naman, it's good na din. And most of the companies requires naka-landscape siya. Kasi minsan may ibang company nire-require ka na gumawa ka ng channel, gumawa ka ng YouTube channel, i-upload mo doon yung video para yung link nyo na lang yung isi-send namin doon sa client. So, ganun yun. And of course, for you na din, para mag-grow yung channel mo. So, gumawa ka na rin ng ibang videos. As for me, sa Amazing Talker, pinag-upload kami ng mga videos, sample videos, and many others. So, ngayon, ang ginagawa ko is nagdagdag ako ng mga video para naman dumami palalo yung mga students ko at mas marami pang tumangkilik sa way of teaching ko. So, ayun lang. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, please like and subscribe na rin and i-hit mo na rin yung notification bell button. I know nagsisimula pa lang ako sa pag-guide sa mga bagong ESL teachers or mga aspiring ESL teachers. Kung ano man yung maitutulong ko or kung may mga tanong man kayo, please comment down below and kung ano yung mga pinakamaraming tanong or kung ano man yung request nyo na gawa natin ng video is gagawin natin yan sa abot ng aking makakaya. Yun lamang at maraming salamat. Paalam!